Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn DMs to schedule calls using Calendly step by step clearly. To begin, launch your LinkedIn account and navigate to your direct messages. Select the conversation where you want to schedule a call. Start by typing a greeting to the person you want to connect with. Next, mention your interest in discussing a specific topic or collaboration. Suggest that you schedule a call to dive deeper into that topic. Now, open a new tab in your browser and log in to your Calendly account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, set up your available time slots for calls. You can customize the duration of the call and the buffer time between appointments. After configuring your schedule, save your settings. Copy the link to your Calendly page. Return to your LinkedIn conversation. Now, paste the Calendly link into the message. Add a note encouraging the other person to pick a time that works for them. Be clear about your availability and express your eagerness to connect. Once you're satisfied with the message, hit send. Wait for the other person to respond and choose a time that fits their schedule. Once they confirm, make sure to check your Calendly for the updated appointment. Prepare for your upcoming call by reviewing any relevant materials. Now, you're all set to smoothly schedule calls through LinkedIn using Calendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.